A new development, strange in nature, has taken place where the Director of National Intelligence of United States of America, Tulsi Gabbard, has put forth a briefing where she expressed that the National Intelligence Department of United States of America is of the view that Pakistan, along with North Korea, China, China, Russia, and Iran, are a greater threat to the sovereignty and to the security of their homeland, United States of America. She said that in the context that Pakistan has been evolving in its technological matters as far as the intercontinental ballistic missiles are concerned. She also expressed that this could pose a severe threat to the sovereignty, the integrity, and more particularly the security of the United States of America, as those technological and highly advanced and sophisticated, yet the missiles that could devastate and obliterate greater amount of homelands has become a threat to the United States of America. Pakistan enjoys good relations with the United States of America solely based on the mutual interests and mutual respect. That for which one illustration could be quoted as the Pakistan's Prime Minister had recently participated in the Gaza Board of Peace that was initiated and put forth by the President Trump. But putting aside the mutual and harmonious relations between Pakistan and United States of America, this new development or this new policy development that has been initiated or directed by by the Director and Department of National Intelligence of United States of America, where they had alleged or they had considered Pakistan as a threat to their homeland because of the sophisticated missiles that Pakistan is building. But this entire hypothesis of United States of America and their national intelligence could be nullified with one and simple fact that even the most advanced, enhanced, and sophisticated ballistic missile of Pakistan, that is Shaheen 3, has a capability to go around 3 to 3,500 kilometers. But even the shores of United States of America that are far there in another continent are far than 11,200 kilometers. Thus, this simple fact and logic can absolutely nullify the hypothesis of national intelligence of United States of America. Keeping in view this simple logic, do you think that Pakistan could still be a threat to the United States of America, or this new policy development by the National Intelligence Department of United States of America is merely or solely another conspiracy driven by the antagonistic Zionist regime, that of Israel? What are your opinions and guesses about this? Do make us aware regarding this in the comment section. Thank you.